In this vitrine, you see photos taken of the Utrecht Biology Laboratory. As you move along the hallway, the first images are complex and progressively become simpler and more abstract. This is what information does to life. It turns a complex phenomenon, it turns in art a complex image into just a series of signs. Objects in this room include 1950s and 1960s computers, scientific models of DNA and neurons, silk prints, stills and films from the first digital abstract artwork. These might seem like very different objects, but they all have in common this idea of digital information. In this exhibit, the term information is used in an uncommon way. Information here does not refer to a fact or a news story in the morning paper. We use the term information in the same way telecommunication engineers first used it in the 1940s. These engineers were preoccupied with the problem, how can you translate a message into a code which can be sent and received in an efficient way? Information for them had nothing to do with the meaning or content of a message. It was a sequence of abstract signs, of binary digits, bits, zeros and ones, used in the programming of a digital computer. The information age was these engineers' dream that everything could be described in terms of information, in terms of zeros and ones, a very simple code. Everything could be transmitted, processed, stored like a sequence of bits in a computer. In the 1950s and 60s, following engineers, biologists and artists too became fascinated with communication and the question of how do you efficiently send a message from a sender to a receiver. Biologists said that the gene was a message transmitted from parents to their children. In art too, some said that the image was the message sent to and received by a viewer. In this exhibition, biologists, artists, and engineers explore the consequences of this idea of information, digital information. In each room, a different aspect of this idea is highlighted.